Following video is the first in a two-part series which gives an overview of transfer assurance guides, also known as tags. Topics in this video include the definition, policy history, and anatomy of a tag, as well as an explanation of Ohio articulation numbers, an example of a tag, and related resources. Start with the definition of a tag. What is a transfer assurance guide? Faculty and staff at institutions use the word tag in various contexts to describe course equivalency guarantees, but the origin of the word has two similar meanings, each with a different purpose. First, tag is an initiative that guarantees that course equivalency and applicability of degree pathways. Second, tag is an advising tool for students and advisors to plan out students' degree pathways from 2-year to 4-year degree programs in specific disciplines. Many people refer to tags as tag courses, but the statewide guarantee has a much larger purpose, which is to provide guaranteed degree pathways. The tag discipline areas are arts and humanities, business, communication, education, engineering technology, fire science, foreign language, health, information systems, renewable energy, science and mathematics, social and behavioral sciences, information technology, introduction to manufacturing, safety, introduction to robotics, introduction to semiconductors and cleanroom processing, mathematics and statistics, natural and physical sciences, and semiconductors for STEM majors. Now that you have a basic understanding of transfer assurance guides, let's take a quick look at the history of tag policy. Many of Ohio's articulation and transfer initiatives are backed by legislative support. In the case of tags, Ohio's revised code 3333.16 was passed in 2003 to develop and implement a comprehensive statewide course equivalency system by working together with Ohio's public colleges and universities. Hence, tags were developed. Further revisions codified by the Ohio General Assembly, HB 95, expanded the impact of the existing policy and introduced new articulation and transfer requirements to be completed by 2005. The task requires faculty members to work together for a common purpose, and decisions are made based upon consensus. The statewide consensus process allowed faculty to discuss and consider everyone's input before reaching a team decision. The consensus process allowed institutions to provide feedback on proposed statewide guarantees through endorsement surveys. The result of this statewide consensus means that some institutions may be asked to revise their courses and curricula to be in alignment with the endorsed statewide pathways and criteria. This initiative was considered the largest curriculum reform the state has witnessed. Let's talk about the 4 parts of a tag. The next slide contains information about pre-major or beginning major courses that we know as tag courses. Each tag course contains a statewide articulation number and title associated with the tag, a credit hour range, and/or advising notes. These pre-major or beginning major courses are guaranteed to transfer and apply toward degree requirements in business. A 4-year institution that offers a business degree program is required to include all these tag courses. For the statewide pathway guaranteed to work from 2-year to 4-year degree programs, the 4-year programs need to be able to accept and apply the guaranteed courses. This application is why our faculty's upfront research in the statewide endorsement process is important. The reference to credit hours and advising notes is helpful when institutions are developing a new course or revising a curriculum. This slide provides an example advising note. This is an advising note for DC circuits. The advising note states that this course should be taken as a sequence with AC circuits before transferring colleges or universities. It also states that algebra is a prerequisite for this course. Advising notes are typically associated with pre- and/or co-requisite courses, certain third-party credentials, and other references to ensure student success in the subsequent and advanced courses. Here is an example of the entire first page of the Information Systems tag pathway. OANs have a unique prefix and number. These function similarly to course prefixes and numbers to indicate sets of statewide endorsed learning outcomes. Institutions map their courses to the OANs. Faculty panels review the course mappings and determine whether the course is an equivalent match. Following 3 slides provide examples of the Ohio articulation numbers, or OAN prefix, used in tags. For more information about the tags, visit the Ohio Articulation and Transfer Network's website. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have a better understanding about transfer assurance guides now.